Good evening, guys. Thanks for coming back, checking out my channel. I've got another great looking watch here to show you. It's a Relic ZR15546. Notice it's got a beautiful, sleek black band, very stylish, and this degrade dial with 3 subdials. So let's talk about the subdials for just a minute. Let me tell you what those are. So we've got the day of the week, date, and the 24-hour military time here. So the way we would change the day of the week, today, so it's on Thursday, today is Tuesday here. So let's get it around till Tuesday. Now I've pulled the crown out to the 2nd position, and I've got to do a revolution all the way around. Oh, there we go. 24 hours. That's Friday. Okay, watch it. Saturday. So just keep going until you get your day of the week. Now, if you notice, as I am turning the large hands, the bottom subdial is also moving. This is your 24-hour military time. So now we're at almost 9 o'clock p.m. on this clock. And this would be 6 o'clock a.m. And once you get past the 12, you get into military time. Let's see, what does that say? 18? So that's 18 hours if you like that kind of time. Now over here, you have the date. How do you change the date? So I've pushed it back in, all the way in. I'm going to pull it out to the 1st position. Notice the 2nd hand is still moving. And this only goes one way. Can't change it if you go backwards. So here it's the 25th. And you want to be sure you have your AM and PM correctly, because now these two will both change as long as you have that correct. Now let's take a look at this bezel. We got a rotating bezel here, but it only rotates counterclockwise. One way. I'm just going to line up the 60, so I think that looks nice. There we go. One issue with this watch, the only issue I see, is that is a very small band. I have about 5.5-inch wrists, and that's about a 6-inch. So this is going to be for a pretty small man, or someone's going to have to invest in a new band. For that reason, normally I would start this watch at $9.99 with free shipping. However, someone is going to have to make that investment. So I'm going to go ahead and start this at 99 cents. And it should sell. This is a nice heavy watch made by Fossil. What do you guys think? Go check it out in the store. Let me know what you think in the comments below.